9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Alright guys, welcome back everyone. Welcome to our best Forex setup for this week. This is the last week of the month of September. So this is it guys. Hopefully everybody's closing their book. Pretty amazing. So once again, we are gonna be trading our best Forex trading setup for this week, which is Eurusd, Usdjpy, Gold, Gbpusd, CHF as well, and Gbpjpy. So stay with me to the end guys, even if you follow one or two or three all pairs that I'm gonna be telling you today. So this video is gonna be explosive. So let's go. Let me show you what the market has to offer, and hopefully everything makes sense to you. So the first pair that we're gonna start today guys is USD CHF. Pay close attention to what this pair is gonna do guys. This is gonna be amazing. First thing first guys, always pay attention to your dashboard. Look at what the dashboard is letting us know. It's letting us know the 4 hours and daily time frame, the market, it is bullish. So what is our multiple time frame letting us know here? Same thing, saying that we are in a buy position. What is our TW sniper entry doing? Look at this. This is a brand new TW sniper entry saying that yes, that it is bullish, and here officially we are on that buy position. So everything is moving smoothly as a buy position. So if you are on trading USD CHF, congratulations. This is gonna be the best Forex trading setup so far for this week. So trading here are USD CHF. So this is what I have for this coming week guys. Like I said, the market is still in a buy position. So my setup for this week is the market still gonna be pushing up. It's gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame here. Look at here how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it's gonna be. From here we're gonna be getting a small retracement, small pullback, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci, same thing, previous multiple time frame. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times, and then market will continue as a buy position. I already told you the market is in a buy position. What do you guys think so far? Everything so good? Hopefully everything makes sense to you. All right guys, so do me a favor guys. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe to our channel. So a lot of people sell this information that I'm giving you for a lot of money. They're charging you weekly about $150 just to give you this setup that I'm giving you here for free. So make sure you destroy the like button and make sure you do subscribe so you don't ever miss any content from us. So the next pair that I have for you guys is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that it is Euro USD. Boom! Look at what this amazing pair is doing guys. Look at the dashboard. Everything is burning and is burning red. Boom! It's dropping like it's hot. So that it is a beautiful pair, letting us know that everything here is selling. We did a one-on-one last week guys. If you want to watch that video is on our library on our YouTube Gold membership. You can go ahead and watch it in there and see if Forex is for you. The way how I teach you is very straightforward, very simple, but you make the decision if you want to watch it or not. All right, so but Euro USD here is selling. What is our multiple time frame is doing? Multiple time frame is also saying that yes, that is true. We are still in that sell position. Our TW sniper entry is also confirming that we are in a sell position. Look at here, multiple time frame confirming that we are also selling, and that is exactly what the market is doing. The market is going exactly what with our multiple time frame system. So what's my understanding for this coming week? We are trading the last week of September. We are trading the best Forex trading setup this week guys. Here trading at Euro USD. What I can see here is the market still gonna be pushing another 15-30 more pips. We are getting ready guys. Listen to me. Look at what Euro USD is doing. Euro USD is getting ready for a pullback. So market is gonna do a pullback, retesting your 23 Fibonacci level, retesting our previous multiple time frame here. Then market will resume back to business. We all know that Euro USD, it is selling. So if you are in a buy position, unfortunately you are in negative. So make sure that you always check the news, guys. No matter what I'm saying here today, everything is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released on the market. Please guys, do your due diligence. Never ever invest any money you cannot afford to lose on this business. This business is very risky. You can win big and you can also blow your account. Oh yeah! And you don't want to do that because you are gonna be very upset, and you're gonna be, what? No! You're gonna be upset. All right, let's move on to the next pair of the week, guys. One of the most tradable pair here, it is GBP USD. Boom! Look at what Euro GBP is doing. Woo! I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. Look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard saying, guys? Look at here, 30-minute all the way to 1 month. The market is dropping, guys. It's selling. That the dashboard is giving you the answer of what GBP USD is doing. That's why we named this week the best forex trading setup this week, because GBP USD, it is on fire. I'm telling you, it is on fire. So our multiple time frame here is still letting us know, hey Irvin, I'm in a sell position. What is our TW sniper entry doing? It's also confirming that that sell, it is valid. Look at the multiple time frame arrow here, confirming that yes, it's valid. So market here is selling. So this is what I can say about GBP USD. Still gonna drop another probably 15-20 more pip, guys, and then we are looking for what? Look at here, market is coming. It's gonna come back to this high here. What do you guys think the market is gonna do, guys? The market is selling, but what do you guys think? Let me type it in here. The market is gonna be doing a pullback. Are you ready to take that pullback? Do you know how to trade pullback? If you do not know how to trade pullback, please guys, let us know. We are here to help you. We are gonna be doing a one-on-one this coming Tuesday. So if you want to push yourself to your limit, please let us know. We can give you the free training, but all you have to do is let me know in advance, because discipline is the fuel of your achievement. You have to have discipline in this business. You need to learn how to trade with rule. Stop buying signals, guys. Stop wasting your money on signal. Learn how to trade. Learn how to be aggressive, learning all the rules there are to be learned here on our Forex Trading channel. Push yourself, guys. Push yourself, because no one is gonna do it. Neither your son is gonna push for be for you, your wife, your brother. No one, guys. Push yourself. Learn, and learn, guys. Learn. That's all I can tell you, guys. You know what really matters in trading, guys, is 3 things, guys. It's psychology. You need a trading plan, and you need a compounding on your account. That's all what it is, guys. So let's go. Hopefully, guys, everything makes sense. All right, let's move on to the next pair of the week, guys, and that it is USD JPY. Woo! All right, so far USD JPY is forming a brand new sell position for this coming week, for the last week of September. So pay close attention to your dashboard. What's the dashboard saying? What is 4 hours and daily telling us here? It's telling us that yes, we are selling. What are we doing, guys? Oh, yeah. We are selling the market. So multiple time frame is right on it with our TW sniper entry saying, Irvin, we are selling. So what do you want to do? USD JPY, guys, was bullish, no longer is valid. So now the market has potential to drop, but let me break it down for you, because that's what you're here for. You're here to learn. So multiple time frame and TW sniper entry saying that we are selling. So this is my understanding, guys. Market's still gonna be pushing, retesting your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level, which is your previous multiple time frame right on it. Then market is gonna do a very tiny pullback, retesting it 23, which is previous multiple time frame. A lot of support and resistance bounces in this area here, and guess what is gonna happen from there? Boom! Market will be dropping like it's hot, and you better believe that. Woo! I'm telling you guys, that's what I'm seeing on the market. Hopefully everything makes sense. What do you guys think about USD CHF? Is USD CHF making sense? Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. Are you guys planning to trade one of these trades? Remember, I'm not giving you a signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. But make sure, guys, if you want to participate on this Tuesday 101, please let me know, or send me a private telegram. The link is on the description of this video, and I will put you into our class. Okay, so work hard, guys, dream big, never give up, learn all the rules there are to be learned here on the Forex trading, guys. Work hard, dream big, and never give up learning, guys. Learning is the key of life, guys. So let's go. Let's go to the next pair, guys. The next one that I have, it is gold. Hopefully one of you guys are planning to trade gold, and guess what gold is getting ready to do, guys? Boom! Gold, it is getting ready for a pullback. But look at what the market is doing. Look at from 50 minutes all the way to 1 month. Market is what? It is dropping, guys. It's selling. That's all it's doing. The market is selling beautifully. So multiple time frame is also confirming. TW is also confirming. We are selling, 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 and selling. And look at that drop. That's what I just did, guys. Boom! Market is dropping freaking heavy on gold. But we are getting ready to close the month of September. So what are you planning to do on this month of September, guys? This is what I understand here on gold, guys. Gold is getting to an end, so market's still gonna give us another few more dollars here, probably, another long candle to drop more pips. Then market from here, guys, is gonna take a pullback, retesting your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. Why this level? Because multiple time frame has been there here once, multiple time frame has been here twice, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times. So the market is expecting to return back to those key levels, and then market will resume back to business. So this is what I understand, guys. I'm planning to see on gold for the month of October to give us a brand new TW sniper entry confirming. Same thing what it says here, but we're expecting it to see here on the body to confirm that we are expecting to see the month of October going bullish. That is exactly what I'm expecting to see on gold. Hopefully, guys, gold makes sense, USD JPY makes sense, GBP USD as well, Euro USD, and USD CHF, guys. If I'm missing one of your pair and you want me to make a video for you, please let me know in the comment below, or either send me a private telegram so I can add you to our live training this coming Tuesday. So guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you, God bless your family, God bless Ukraine, and God bless the world, and most beautiful of all, guys, God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. So once again, guys, stay safe, and I will see you back on our Tuesday live training. Peace out.